What's up guys, this is Varo from Wanted Customs, and here we have a 2017 Ford Mustang GT that just came in for a full wrap. The car is dusty as hell right now. As you can see, this is terrible, but we're about to get started for the usual prep that we do. We're gonna detail the exterior, we're gonna clay bar the whole car and get it ready for the wrap for tomorrow. And you guys will be able to see the result after the wrap is done.
Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto.
Ooh, what finish is this?
Satin dark gray. Best fucking place in the fucking world.